Hello, everyone. I think I might have to add it. Cut. Start over. All right. Hello, and welcome to the Introduction to Online Classes. My name is China Andrews, and I think most of us have met before, but if you're new to the class, welcome. So we are continuing on with classes, even though we are not allowed to go to the building, and we probably won't be allowed to go to any of the school buildings till at least summer. So right now, the way that you can get a hold of me is by being a part of my class every week so that we are in continuous contact. You can also call or text me at 504-270-1067. Or you can click on this video chat link, which I will email to you and I will text you, or you can type it in letter for letter in your address bar if you go on your phone or your computer onto Google. But we really want to try to get everybody set up with their own emails, so make sure you talk to me about which way you want to get a hold of me, right? So mostly at first, let's all worry about calling or texting me at 504-270-1067, and also be looking for a lot of texts from me at that number. Okay, so what is... I'm recording a video. All right, so what is class going to look like? So what we're going to do is... and it won't matter if you have a phone or a computer, you are going to have 4 parts to your class every week. So you'll be invited to weekly group calls and lessons. Those are going to be on Mondays and Wednesdays from 9:30 to 11:30, which is usually like kind of our normal class time. I'll be sending you videos to watch. So if you can't join those calls, you could still watch the videos to get an idea of what our assignments and things are coming up. And then I will talk to everybody one-on-one at least once a week to kind of see how you're doing and kind of do some one-on-one assessment stuff. And then the big deal that I got to get everybody to do is I have to send you these forms twice a week, and I need you to answer them because that's the only way I can prove that you are in the class, and that's the easiest way that I could think of to really document our engagement. So look out for the forms. They're going to be super important. All right, I know a lot of people are already scared because they say, well, how can I do this if I don't have a computer? I don't even know how to use my phone or something. We're going to work all that out together, because just like you're watching this video right now, we all can watch YouTube videos. So if we watch the videos, we can get instructions. If we talk to each other, we can solve the problems. But on your phone, if you only have a phone, you can definitely watch videos on YouTube. I will be sending you links. You can talk in our online classroom to all of your other classmates. There's a special number that you'll be dialing, and a PIN number. It's kind of like a party line from back in the day. And if you have a good enough phone and enough internet or Wi-Fi at your house, you can probably video call with us too from your phone. You will be texting with me, which is actually going to be good because people will probably be writing more than you're used to, because now you'll have to write me your messages and your questions and things. And then you will answer questions that I can send you through text messages, which will be in that Google form. So if you only have a phone, you can still totally be engaged in class. If you have a computer, you can watch your videos on YouTube the same as on a phone. You can talk with our online classroom, and it'll probably be a lot easier for you to video share if you have a web camera or a laptop. You'll be able to email with me, your teacher, and you will be able to answer questions and complete assignments in Google Classroom, which is like the online classroom where I'll be storing all of the materials. But like I said, you don't have to be able to go into that classroom to participate in what we're doing. I'm going to try to make everything very accessible. Okay, so what will we be doing? Well, if you're doing the reading class with me, we're doing the same things as usual. We're doing rhyming, decoding, the rules of English, and reading fluency, you know, smooth reading. Smooth operator. That's not how it goes, y'all know. Think Sade. All right. The other thing that we will be doing if you do math with me is you're going to like focus on some real world math problems, problem solving strategies, and as always our math vocabulary, which I think we could probably make some major groundwork in doing the math vocabulary, especially if we're forced to do it online. I'm thinking about making that part of our tripleegspell.com, our word list in there. So once we get everybody online next week or the following week by mid-April, I think that's something that I would like to do. But you know, talk to me and give me some feedback. All right. So the first thing you'll have to be able to do these classes is go on YouTube. And I bet you can go on YouTube. And if you can't, you got to be messing around on your phone and we'll help you figure it out. But I will send you links either through your email or through text messaging to videos that I'm going to make and I'm going to put on YouTube, just like I've sent you this message. So, I would like you to watch those. I'm going to send those on Monday and Wednesday mornings, and then that way we'll have a idea of what it is we're going to talk about when we get all into the live group session together. So for instance, we're starting with lesson 20 for our first lesson. So in the video, I will talk about what's going on in lesson 20. I won't give you all the answers. I'll just kind of explain what's going on. You can kind of do it yourself at home while you watch the video. And then afterwards, when we get all together, we'll be able to work together and compare answers and talk about the content from the lesson. And then when we get together, we'll also do like our rhyming activities and our one word like warm-ups, like breaking down big words and all that sort of stuff. So a good thing about this is that you will see stuff that you're used to, which is we're going to base everything off of our same workbook, Making Sense of Decoding and Spelling for Adults. And I know that some of you might have an old copy that is a full copy of the book. I kind of need you to look through that because I don't want to waste too much money on stamps or printouts. And so if you already have lessons 20 through 28 in an old book, pull it out and let's use that. And we shouldn't have gone through it. It should still be blank. And if not, I'm going to post this in our classroom and stuff. So if you have a computer with a printer, you could print the pages from home. Or for those who really need it, I will send you a paper copy of this. So we need to do that this week. I need you to text me your email address. I really need you guys to like start talking to me, like texting me all the time and stuff like that for this to work. So, or emailing me. So I need to make sure I have your right address, your physical address, and let me know if you need the book or not. And that way, or the pages. I'm gonna try to keep it short what I send. Save some trees, right? But so let me know if you need that, and I think that will be great. Yeah? Okay. And then also send some exact rhymes workbooks. But I think for the exact rhymes, really, you can just write that on a piece of paper. We're going to try to do as many things where you can write it down from seeing it as possible. But I know sometimes that could get a little bit difficult. So I do want to make sure everybody at least has the Making Sense of Decoding book. Okay? All right. So this is probably the scariest part. This is our